separate but equal doctrine was rejected unanimously by the Supreme Court in Brown versus the Board of Education in 1954. Brown versus the Topeka Board of Education is the landmark decision of the United States Supreme Court in 1954, which explicitly outlawed racial segregation of public education facilities on the grounds that the doctrine of separate but equal public education could never truly provide black Americans with facilities of the same standards available to white Americans. The plaintiffs asserted that the system of racial separation, while masquerading as providing separate but equal treatment of both white and black Americans, instead perpetuated inferior accommodation, services, and treatment for black Americans. Segregation in education varied widely from the 17 states which required segregation to the 16 states which prohibited it. On May 17, 1954, the Supreme Court held in a unanimous 9-0 decision that in no uncertain terms, separate educational facilities are inherently unequal. The following year, the court completed its ruling. In the second Brown decision, Brown 2 as it is sometimes called, the Warren Court ordered the state's compliance with Brown 1, quote, with all deliberate speed, unquote. However, the court did not specify how school districts should integrate. Nearly 20 years after Brown, school desegregation would come to the court's attention again in 2 cases involving the use of busing to integrate students across school districts. Swan versus Charlotte-Mecklenburg Board of Education in 1971 and Milliken versus Bradley in 1974.